February 4th. It's February. Crazy. But it's currently 10:17. I woke up at like 8:30. I've had a cold for the past couple days. I'm gonna go out to grab a coffee because for some reason the coffee I've been making at home is just like it's not hitting. It doesn't taste that good. So I'm gonna head over to the mall, which is like a 10-minute walk, and I'm gonna go to the Luckin there. I already placed the order. So let's go. I also have to take all this trash out. I'm back. Tell me why it's freaking like so hot outside. I'm like sweating, genuinely, not even lying. What is the plan today? So it's 10:42. I have a facial at 12, and then I'm gonna do gym after that. Come back, rot for a bit, and then I have Pilates at like 7ish. I think that's all I have for today. Yeah, so very chillaxing. Oh yeah, by the way, winter break started like a couple weeks ago for me, and then also like a couple days ago I just got my bangs cut. Probably can't tell, like they look kind of like jank right now because they're not styled, but I'm just going to apply for some internships right now / work on my portfolio, and that'll be my morning until I head over to Pilates. Alright, 3:46. I'm back from the gym and my facial. I don't know if there's gym outdid my facial, but it was just like hydrating. And I'm starved, so I'm heating up some fried rice that I made the other night. Yeah, so at the gym, because I've been having back problems, I've been hitting more, or I've been still like weight training, but I've been doing more like Pilates sculpt type weight training. And then recently I just threw in glutes again, but very light because again my back. But yeah, I've been doing Pilates sculpt, which has been a nice burn because I feel like sometimes Pilates just doesn't burn as much. You can see. Yeah. Bon appetit. Cheers. And then my pickled cucumbers I made yesterday. I also started a new series, Lincoln Lawyer. I've been binging it. I'm already on season 2. Okay, time to grub. It's snack time. So I have this big box of like nuts, and today's options: cashews or macadamia nuts. Bro, I have to crack it open. I've never had to eat a macadamia nut like this before. Okay, I'm not eating it. Okay, cashews. A cashew. It's done. Hello.
Bruh.
Change of plans. It's now 6:22. Just did some work, had some leftovers for dinner. Now is the problem or the debate of ordering a drink / fruit or going out to get them myself. During the winter, I don't like leaving my house when it's the nighttime, I'm like, what to do. Also, I got a haircut. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got a haircut. I got like bangs. This is my first time having bangs like on my own choice, I made my decision. I'm getting lemon right. I'm getting their apple lemon tea. And it will be here in 15 minutes. LOL. Sorry for the jump scare. I just took a shower. Doing my face mask. But where's my boba? The boba has arrived. It arrived before I got in the shower, but I just forgot about it. Let's see if I got it. What is it? Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cloud with bee duck. Cute. I'll add him to my collection. Taste test. So this one and the strawberry one hit so hard. Continue to do more work while I sip on this, dry my hair, call it a night. Today's is good. It's a win. Good morning. It's 10:30. Like every morning, I start off with big gulps of water. I try my best. Sometimes I go straight into the coffee. And I continue with some work that I was doing yesterday. Sip on my coffee, and then I'm gonna get lunch with my friend at 11:30. We're gonna get hot pot. So yeah, I'm gonna get the grind on for a bit. Let's head. I'm gonna walk over now. It's 11:45. We're meeting at 12. I'm back. It's like 3 p.m. After hot pot, we went to, there's like this baked goods shop in the same mall. And I got these, Yangao. It's like Hongzao. And there's something else in here. It was so good. And then we went to Aldi to track down these like horses they have for New Year's. With my friend, one of them. She'll be going home for the rest of break. But it was a good lunch. Very filling and like nutritious. I'm gonna continue doing my work and then head out for tutoring. 5 something, close to 6, and it's time to head out for tutoring. But by the time I come back home, it's gonna be like 10-ish. So it's almost 7 p.m. and I'm here at the neighborhood for tutoring. I'm like a couple minutes early, so I'm just awkwardly standing here. But I really need to pee. Oh my gosh, look at it's so pretty. I'm going to pee, but I'll see you when I'm done. Bye. Okay, I'm all ready to go. Say hi. She's saying hi. We're gonna go head out now. We're gonna eat some Nami Korean food. Bye.
Bye.
I'm back. Let me give a haul. I have so many sweet treats now. And after we went to this Hong Kong restaurant place, one is a cha shao bao and one is red bean mochi bun. So I have that. I think I'm gonna order some groceries for dinner this weekend and stuff, but I feel bad ordering takeout and stuff when it's raining because here the drivers are on motorbikes, not actual cars. Maybe I'll just order tomorrow morning then.看看这个鱼怎么样？这有点咸，这个酱放多了。